Have you ever felt as though there's more to your existence, as if you have a purpose beyond the routine of daily life? If so, you're not alone. Many individuals experience a profound sense that they are here for something greater, a calling or mission that transcends the ordinary. According to the teachings of Dolores Cannon, a respected hypnotherapist and pioneer in past life regression therapy, there are several indicators suggesting you might indeed have a significant purpose to fulfill during your time on Earth. Her teachings provide profound insights into the extraordinary era we're living in, characterized by great change and evolution in the fabric of reality. If you're watching this video, chances are you're one of the many souls who came to this planet with a special purpose. Some may have already discovered their mission, while others are still in the process of uncovering it. And that's perfectly fine. It's essential to acknowledge that not everyone finds their purpose early in life. Many may not fully grasp their calling until later stages, perhaps in their 40s, 50s, or even 60s. This timing is part of a divine plan. Each of us requires time to attune to Earth's unique vibration, assimilate knowledge, and acquire the skills necessary to fulfill our mission. Dolores Cannon often stressed that we all arrived here with a purpose: to learn how to manipulate energy in ways unique to Earth. Earth serves as a challenging school for the soul, where we encounter obstacles and lessons aimed at fostering growth and evolution. Many of us are here to work on our karma, learn from past life experiences, and undergo spiritual healing and growth. According to Cannon, many individuals are lightworkers, beings who have transcended the need to work on karma and have chosen to incarnate on Earth to assist humanity's evolutionary shift to a higher dimension. Throughout your life, you may encounter various signs indicating a higher purpose. These signs can manifest differently for each person, so it's crucial to pay attention to the messages and guidance you receive. Trust in your inner wisdom and understand that you're always supported and guided by higher realms. Remember, you're here for a reason, and your presence contributes to a larger cosmic plan. So, what are some signs indicating you may have a greater purpose on Earth? Feeling different. The sensation of being different from others can be a profound indicator of a deeper purpose. This feeling often manifests as a persistent sense of not quite fitting into societal norms or expectations. Instead of viewing this as a flaw, it's essential to recognize it as a unique aspect of your being. Embracing your individuality and authenticity is crucial, as it allows you to tap into the unique insights and potentials that set you apart. Society often encourages conformity, but for those with a greater purpose, embracing your uniqueness is key to fulfilling your mission. This feeling of being different signifies that you're attuned to frequencies and insights meant to enrich life on Earth in extraordinary ways. Desire to help others. A strong inclination towards helping others goes beyond mere altruism. It's a profound calling that shapes the trajectory of your life. This deep-seated desire to make a positive difference in the world permeates every aspect of your being, guiding your decisions and actions. Whether it's through acts of kindness, healing, or activism, your mission involves serving as a catalyst for positive change. Recognizing and honoring this calling allows you to contribute to humanity's healing and evolution, ultimately fulfilling your soul's purpose on Earth. Sense of waiting. Feeling like you're on the verge of something significant, yet uncertain of what it entails, is a common experience for those with a greater purpose. This persistent feeling of waiting indicates that your soul is poised for a profound mission, awaiting the perfect moment to spring into action. Trusting in divine timing is essential, as everything unfolds according to a greater plan intricately woven into your soul's journey. Embrace the anticipation and excitement accompanying this sense of waiting, knowing that it's a sign of something extraordinary on the horizon. Feeling of urgency. The sense of urgency to fulfill a vital task is a powerful sign that you're meant for something greater. This feeling isn't meant to provoke anxiety, but serves as a gentle nudge from the universe, urging you to take action and fulfill your destiny. Embracing this sense of urgency allows you to align with your purpose and contribute your unique gifts and talents to the world. Trust in the wisdom of your inner guidance as you embark on the journey of self-discovery and purpose. Dreams and visions. Paying attention to your dreams and visions can provide valuable insights into your soul's mission. These nocturnal journeys offer glimpses into past lives, insights into your purpose, and guidance on the path ahead. While interpreting dreams is a deeply personal journey, trusting your intuition and inner guidance is key to unlocking their wisdom. By reflecting on and meditating upon your dreams, you can uncover deeper truths about your purpose and role in the world. Turning points. Reflecting on pivotal moments in your life reveals orchestrated moments of divine intervention, guiding you towards your life's mission. These turning points can take various forms, such as chance encounters, sudden realizations, or unexpected setbacks. Despite their initial appearance, these moments serve as red flags along your soul's journey, steering you towards your ultimate purpose. Embracing these turning points allows you to navigate your path with greater clarity and alignment with your soul's mission. Belief in a better world. Possessing an unwavering belief in the possibility of a better world is a powerful sign of a greater purpose. This belief transcends the challenges and darkness of the present moment, serving as a beacon of light illuminating the path towards positive transformation. Trusting in this belief allows you to contribute your light to the collective evolution of humanity, inspiring others to believe in and work towards a brighter future. 8. Synchronicities and signs Pay attention to synchronicities and signs that appear in your life. These are often meaningful coincidences or occurrences that seem to align with your thoughts, feelings, or intentions. Synchronicities can serve as guiding lights along your path, offering reassurance that you're on the right track or nudging you towards a particular direction. Whether it's encountering a meaningful symbol repeatedly or meeting someone who shares your vision, these synchronicities can offer valuable insights into your purpose and the next steps to take on your journey. Recognizing these signs is just the beginning of your journey towards understanding and embodying your greater purpose. Embrace the process of exploration, healing, and growth as you uncover your unique role in the grand tapestry of life. Trust in divine guidance and believe in the significance of your contribution to Earth's evolution. 9. Feelings of fulfillment and alignment Notice moments when you feel deeply fulfilled, joyful, and aligned with your true self. These moments often occur when you're engaged in activities or pursuits that resonate with your soul's purpose. Whether it's creating art, helping others, or connecting with nature, these experiences provide glimpses into the essence of your purpose and what brings meaning to your life. Pay attention to these moments of alignment, as they offer clues to your greater purpose and can guide you towards fulfilling your soul's mission on Earth. 10. Inner knowing and intuition Trust in your inner knowing and intuition as valuable sources of guidance on your journey. Your intuition is your inner compass, guiding you towards what aligns with your soul's purpose and what doesn't. Learn to listen to the whispers of your heart and the subtle nudges of your intuition, as they often offer profound insights into your purpose and the path ahead. Cultivate practices such as meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature to deepen your connection to your intuition and inner wisdom. 11. Challenges and obstacles View challenges and obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning on your path to fulfilling your purpose. These obstacles often serve as valuable lessons that help you develop resilience, strength, and wisdom. Instead of seeing them as barriers, embrace them as stepping stones towards greater self-awareness and empowerment. Trust that every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth and transformation, ultimately guiding you closer to embodying your purpose and making a meaningful impact in the world. 12. Connection to something greater Cultivate a sense of connection to something greater than yourself, whether it's a higher power, the universe, or the collective consciousness. This sense of connection provides a deeper understanding of your place in the world and the interconnectedness of all beings. Recognize that you are an integral part of the web of life, and your actions ripple outwards, influencing the greater whole. By fostering this connection, you align with the flow of life and open yourself to receiving guidance and support on your journey towards fulfilling your purpose. Embracing these additional aspects can further deepen your understanding of your greater purpose and guide you towards living a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Trust in the wisdom of your inner guidance and the signs and synchronicities that appear along your path, knowing that you are supported and guided every step of the way. Allow yourself to explore, grow, and evolve as you embody your purpose and contribute your unique gifts to the world.